Hi, this is Amelia from Gogo Craft, and my assistant and daughter Sienna is here to help, and we're going to teach you how to make slime. Sienna, can you say hi?
Hi.
Okay, so I have all the materials here that we need to make some clear slime. We have a little container to mix in that is also going to hold the slime after we make it. I have already like a pre-measured cup of clear Elmer's glue. And then I also have a 1/4 cup of water and a fork for mixing. And I mixed up some activator for the slime. And we also have some of these little color tablets so we can turn the slime a really fun color.
Yeah, I'm gonna do pink.
You're gonna do pink? Okay. Here's pink, and I choose blue. I'll take that one. And also I have, this is optional, but I have some glitter here, and Sienna will be adding glitter to her slime. I'm gonna put this on yours. I'm gonna go without glitter. Okay, should we get started? Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is take our container of water, right, and take your tablet and put it in the water, and let's see what happens. Ooh, it's fizzing.
Mine's turning pink.
And you can stir it with your fork.
I like to crunch it.
You like to crunch it? It takes a while to dissolve.
Yeah,
Right?
but I am not patient for that.
Yes, it's hard to be patient for that. Come on, little tablet, dissolve. Are you breaking yours up?
I'm trying.
Okay. I don't even think we have to wait till it dissolves. We like the color, we can just go with that. Okay. I think that is dark enough blue. You ready for the next step?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now we're gonna take our glue and we're gonna put it in the big container and get it all in. You can use your fork to scrape it.
Looks like clear Jello.
Like clear Jello. It doesn't taste like clear Jello.
I know.
It tastes like yucky glue.
Which is
You're
bad
just
for
joking.
You. Yeah. It really looks like it.
Yeah. So get that all in there. You're doing a really good job with that. And next we're gonna take the water and color tablet mixture. And my tablet's not finished, but I really like the color, so I'm just gonna take out the rest of the tablet. It's just a tiny little thing that's left. Put it down. You're gonna do the same thing. And then you can pour all the water and the color in there with the glue. Just like that. Awesome. And if you want to add glitter, you can do it now. Mix, mix, mix. I'm mixing mine.
You can help, Mom.
Sure. Okay. This is hard to open up. So shake some in. Good. That's probably good. And then you really want to mix this up super well. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix.
Mom, I didn't add glitter.
I decided not to. Because some people might not want to add glitter, right?
Yeah.
That's okay. I'll just make mine without glitter.
Yeah.
Okay, so next we are going to take the activator. Sure, but we need to explain something first. The activator, we're going to add a little bit at a time.
Yes.
Right? Because we don't, if you add too much, it gets kind of rubbery.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to squirt some in yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now mix that up.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some in mine.
It's getting sticky.
I know, it starts to get all sticky like slime. But
Then it gets hard to like mix.
Yeah.
But then you mix it with your hand.
That's right. So you know what? I think we need more activator because it's still pretty watery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we have the same amount. Ooh, it's getting better. Let's mix, mix, mix. Look at that. Ooh.
Ew.
I think we could use a little more. The important thing is to put it in a little bit of time until you get the right consistency. Right? So we're going slow with the activator.
Yeah.
Right?
Mommy has blue clear slime and I have glittery pink slime.
Those are really...
But the towel looks like purple, but it's actually pink.
Yeah, the tablet looks purple, but it comes out pink. It's pretty funny how it works.
Yeah. Can we start mixing with our hands?
I think we need a little more activator, but sure, you can use your hands anytime you want.
Okay. I'm gonna mix.
This is really fun. Ooh, look at that.
Yeah. Looks like Jello.
It
Pink
does.
Jello. Wait, is there such thing as pink Jello?
Yeah, you could make Jello any color.
Yeah.
This is definitely not Jello though. It kind of looks like it.
But it's definitely not. Don't eat it.
Yeah,
It's
nope.
slime.
It's slime. It's just for playing with. What do you think? Let me see yours. Oh, I think you do use a little more activator.
Oh my god, why is there so much? Can I use my hands now?
Yeah, you can. I'm going to use mine too. You could just turn it onto this plate. We can just take it out with our hands.
Okay, yes, this is definitely slimy.
It's definitely slimy. Ooh.
Okay, yeah, and now we're going to use a container. Our fork.
I'm going to mix it. It's pretty sticky still, but maybe if I keep mixing it, it's going to be fine.
Mine's nice.
Ooh, that's beautiful, Sienna. Okay, show everybody your glittery slime.
This is what it looks like. It's a big, glittery, pink blob.
Look at that.
I won't just rip.
Maybe you need to mix it a little more with your hands. Because you know what? I'm mixing mine with my hands, and the consistency is getting better. It's getting less sticky. Whoa. Gotta snap it.
Eh! Someday you're going to do that to me. Probably.
Probably. I think we're done. We made our slime.
Yeah. Mine's still.
Yours still, well, here, let me cut your hands. A little more activate. Okay, now keep going. And we have this little, we mix it in this container and it has a top to keep it closed, right? Because you have to keep slime closed in a closed
I'm just
container,
gonna kiss it.
airtight. Don't
What?
kiss it. No, no, don't be. So to keep it in an airtight container so that it doesn't dry out, which has happened before, right? And then it's
Yeah.
disappointing because your slime, you can't play with it anymore.
I'm just going to go and wash my hands.
Okay, well, come say goodbye to everyone.
Bye.
Bye. We're gonna wash our hands. Thank you for watching. Bye. Happy slime making.
Also, make sure to wash your hands.
Yep.
Because it's okay.
Yeah, wash our hands.